Welcome to the channel. 2025 Rapido 606 camper van is a remarkable blend of luxury, practicality, and innovation designed to cater to the needs of modern adventurers. Compact yet spacious, this camper van is perfect for those seeking freedom on the road without compromising on comfort. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Rapido 606 stand out in the competitive world of camper vans. At first glance, the exterior of the Rapido 606 is sleek and stylish. Built on the reliable Fiat Ducato chassis, it combines durability with aerodynamic design. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver through narrow streets and winding roads, while still offering all the features you'd expect from a high-end camper van. The refined finish, LED lighting, and thoughtfully placed windows add a touch of sophistication to its design, making it as functional as it is attractive. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels surprisingly spacious for a camper van of this size. Rapido has masterfully utilized every inch of space to create a layout that is both practical and inviting. The high-quality materials and modern color palette give the interior a premium feel, while the clever storage solutions ensure you can bring everything you need for your adventures. The living area is thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort. The adjustable seating can easily accommodate a small group, making it the perfect spot to relax after a day of exploring. The swivel captain's chairs seamlessly integrate with the dining area, creating a versatile space that works for both meals and downtime. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light, creating an airy and open atmosphere. When it comes to cooking, the Rapido 606 doesn't disappoint. The compact yet fully equipped kitchen includes everything you need to prepare meals on the go. There's a 2-burner gas stove, a sink with a retractable faucet, and a surprisingly spacious fridge-freezer combo. The addition of overhead cabinets and drawers ensures you'll have ample storage for cookware, utensils, and supplies, making meal prep a breeze no matter where you are. The sleeping area in the Rapido 606 is designed with rest and relaxation in mind. The fixed rear bed offers a generous sleeping space, complete with a comfortable mattress and reading lights. For those who prefer more flexibility, the van also offers an optional pop-top roof with an additional sleeping area. This feature is perfect for families or friends traveling together, ensuring everyone has their own cozy spot to sleep. Storage is another strong suit of the Rapido 606. Beneath the rear bed, you'll find a large storage compartment that's perfect for stowing larger items like bicycles, camping gear, or luggage. The thoughtful layout ensures you can access your belongings easily, making it convenient to pack and unpack on the go. One of the standout features of the Rapido 606 is its advanced bathroom setup. Despite the compact size of the van, the wet bath is impressively well designed. It includes a shower, a toilet, and a foldable sink, all of which are cleverly arranged to make the most of the available space. The high-quality fixtures and smart ventilation ensure the bathroom is both functional and comfortable to use. Technology plays a key role in enhancing the overall experience of the Rapido 606. The van comes equipped with a touchscreen control panel that allows you to monitor and adjust various systems, including lighting, heating, and water levels. USB charging ports and ample power outlets ensure you can stay connected and powered up during your travels. The Rapido 606 is also designed with energy efficiency in mind. It features a solar panel system that keeps your batteries charged while you're off the grid. The insulation and efficient heating system make it suitable for year-round travel. Whether you're exploring sunny beaches or snowy mountains, driving the Rapido 606 is a pleasure thanks to the smooth performance of the Fiat Ducato chassis. The powerful engine provides plenty of torque for tackling steep hills, while the compact dimensions make it easy to navigate through tight spaces. Advanced safety features like lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control ensure peace of mind on the road. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a small family, the 2025 Rapido 606 camper van is an exceptional choice for your adventures. Its combination of smart design, premium features, and reliable performance makes it a standout in its class. With the Rapido 606, the road truly becomes your home.